Today at the CHC trial, the court heard that audit working papers for the 2003 special audit done by Baker Tilly had been destroyed. No substantive reasons were given for the destruction. Counsel for Kong Hee, Edwin Tong, had asked Fung Ai Fang, audit manager with Baker Tilly TFW LLP, if she was on the engagement team for the special audit. Fung said that she could not remember. These papers had not been seized by the Commercial Affairs Department when they had raided the office of the audit firm in 2010. The court was also taken through a document that Fung Ai Fang had done up, detailing the sequence of events relating to CHC and Dextron based on emails she had retrieved from her computer. She had printed out the emails and compiled them in files that were later placed under the care of managing partner Sim Guan Sing. However, the corresponding printouts only started from 2007, when the sequence of events recorded documents dating back to January 2003. Tong put to the court that he was looking for emails that seemed to support the defense case but had not been produced by the prosecution. He cited the 2011 Kada ruling, which necessitates the prosecution producing documents that may be useful for the defense. Fung was the audit manager for both City Harvest Church from 2002 to 2012 and for Extron Productions from 2003 to 2012. During this time, the engagement partners for the two entities had changed from Joseph To to Tiang Yi and eventually to Sim Guan Sing. This period also covered CHC's transactions relating to the subscription and redemption of Extron and Ferner bonds, as well as the advance rental license agreement. The examination-in-chief was conducted by Deputy Public Prosecutor Tan Kiat Peng, who laid the groundwork by asking Fung about her role and decision-making abilities as the audit manager. Fung maintained that she oversees the groundwork for audit fieldwork and was answerable to the engagement partner. When asked how she would update each new engagement partner on audit issues that needed to be highlighted, Fung told the court that it would either be done verbally or through documentation in the audit working papers. Senior counsel for Sharon Tan, Kanan Ramesh, showed the court in his extensive cross-examination that Baker Tilly had received information concerning bond subscription agreement 5 days after it was signed. This happened before the audit for Extron financial year 2006 was concluded. However, Fung claimed she did not see the document until 2008. Fung also agreed that as of April 13, 2008, she was satisfied with the bond transaction, and while the auditors were aware of the sensitivity of using church funds for the crossover project, they had no problems with the transactions as it was done through bonds. Fung later confirmed that no questions were raised because it was not necessary from the church's point of view. The only concerns she had were about fair value and the repayment of bonds. Every aspect of the Extron bond agreement, from disclosure matters to the proper accounting treatment, valuation and redemption for both the original and amended Extron bonds, had been made known to the auditors, studied in detail and cleared by Baker Tilly. The documents demonstrated that when Baker Tilly auditors probed about various audit issues, the defendants were open to engage and address all their queries and concerns. When questioned by N. Srinivasan, senior counsel for Tan Yi Peng, on the claims Fung Dao Ching had made to the defendants on different occasions that he was the lead partner or consultant partner in charge of the CHC accounts, Fung Ai Fang maintained that no such title existed in Baker Tilly. She was also not able to answer who heads the management committee in the audit firm. Defense counsel also questioned Fung Ai Fang on the general classification of source entries in accounting terms. Fung agreed that book entries are not made based on intention but dependent on the transaction made. Andre Maniam, senior counsel for Serena Wee, took the court through a series of emails and documents sent by Fung Ai Fang and copied Fung Dao Ching. When asked why Fung Dao Ching was copied even though he was not on the engagement team, Fung was unable to answer. Maniam also established that Fung Ai Fang had full knowledge of the internal workings of CHC and other parties including Extron. She had been deeply involved in working out audit issues for her clients, including related party transactions. Although her brother Fung Dao Ching had been the engagement partner of CHC from 1993 and through the 90s, Fung Ai Fang maintained that she had never known that fact until 2010. Senior District Judge C. Ki-un instructed the prosecution to obtain the audit working papers for Extron for financial year 2009 from Baker Tilly, which they had refused to seize and produce when asked by the defense. Cross-examination will resume at 9:30 a.m. on Monday. For more information, log on to citynews.sg. I'm Andrea Lim for City News, Singapore.